Rest easy, understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, resting easy. Whether you've heard it in a movie, a song, or in a conversation, understanding this phrase will add a new layer to your English comprehension. So, let's dive in. Resting easy is an idiomatic expression that means to be free from worry or stress. When someone says they are resting easy, they're often expressing a sense of peace or contentment. This phrase can be used in various contexts, which we'll explore in the next sections. The origins of resting easy are not precisely known, but it's a phrase that has been used in English for a long time. It's thought to derive from the literal idea of being able to sleep without worry, implying safety and security. To help you understand how to use resting easy, let's look at a few examples. After solving a difficult problem at work, I'm resting easy now. The doctor said the surgery went well, so we're resting easy at home. Knowing that the community supports us makes me rest easy. Be careful not to confuse resting easy with rest easy. Rest easy is often used to reassure someone that a problem has been taken care of or to express condolences when someone has passed away. There are variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as sleeping soundly. This usually refers to actual sleep but can metaphorically mean not worrying. Peace of mind. This is more about a sustained state of being worry-free, not just a temporary moment. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, resting easy. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this expression confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and rest easy until our next video.